హాయ్ గాయ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో కొన్ని మీనింగ్స్ 10th క్లాస్లో ఉన్న కొన్ని మీనింగ్స్ని తెలుసుకుందాం. అవి డీటెయిల్స్, ఫ్యూచర్స్, బ్రేవ్, కరేజియస్, డిస్ట్రాట్, యాంగ్జియస్, డివైస్, ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్, అచీవ్డ్, సక్సెస్డ్, బుల్లీడ్, టీజ్డ్ ఆర్ హ్యూమిలేటెడ్, ట్రింప్, విక్టరీ, అడ్వర్సిటీ, డిఫికల్టీ, ఛాలెంజెస్, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్, ప్లీజింగ్, రియలైజ్, understand, vigorous, strong or energetic, plump, stout or fat, vulgar, low, mean or uncivilized, amazed, surprised, trifles, something of little important, shabby, worn or unworthy, complacent, self-satisfied, annoy, equal to get angry. These are the some synonyms, guys, and another some synonyms are they are swindling, cheating, transfixed, shocked, malicious, harmful, tomfoolery, silly behavior, vindictive, desire to hurt, sneaked, secretly, consternation, a worried or sad felt, lethargy, inactive, customs, practices, society, community, decide, attempt or divert, chest, box, strangers, unknown people, wallet, purse, resemble, appear alike, contentment, satisfaction, luxurious, comfortable, convenience, make, agree. These are another some meanings in 10th class, guys. These are another some important synonyms, guys. They are attractive, appealing, accomplish, achieve, admit, confess, alike, same, assist, help, awful, terrible, begin, start, big, large, buy, purchase, center, middle, child, kid, choose, select, complete, finish, delicious, yummy, depart, leave, difficult, hard, easy, simple, and finish, enormous, huge, fast, quick, fool, idiot, enjoyment, fun, garbage, trash, gather, collect, present, gift, excellent, good, help, assist, thought, idea, interesting, exciting, kind, helpful, laugh, giggle, listen, hear, mistake, error, neat, tidy or tidy. These are some important synonyms, guys. These are some important synonyms. These are another some important synonyms. They are occur, happen, old, ancient, opportunity, chance, page, sheet, beautiful, pretty, peaceful, quiet, silence, reject, deny, rest, relax, rich, wealthy, coarse, rough, round, circular, sad, unhappy, rug, carpet, scared, afraid, embarrassed, shy, ask, enquire, blend, mix, sick, ill, sincere, honest, slim, thin, small, tiny, smart, clever, taxi, cab, trust, believe, unfortunate, unlucky, value, worthy, want, desire, wonderful, amazing, writer, record, writer, author, write, record, wrong, incorrect, wrong, incorrect. These are another some important synonyms. They are help, assist, huge, enormous, ill, sick, impartial, neutral, important, significant, infamous, notorious, informal, casual, inspect, examine, intelligent, smart, genius, envious, joy, delight, listen, hear, loving, fond, mad, crazy, maybe, perhaps, misery, distress, native, local, near, close, new, recent, odd, strange, part, section, provide, supply, raise, lift, receive, get, renew, resume, rock, stone, see, look, tiny, small. These are some important synonyms, guys. These are some another important synonyms. They are abroad, overseas, accord, agreement, admit, confess, agree, consent, answer, response, awful, terrible, baby, infant, beautiful, pretty, beg, implore, big, large, blank, empty, broad, wide, change, transform, close, shut, correct, right, delicate, fragile, eager, keen, inquire, investigate, evil, bad, exit, leave, false, untrue, fantastic, great, fast, quick, finish, complete, funny, amusing, glad, happy, good, fine, hard, difficult. These are some important synonyms that we use in high school level, guys. Learn it and it will make easy to write exams whereas synonyms. Understood, guys? These are some important synonyms that we use in high school level, guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe and share to your friends with WhatsApp and Facebook. They also learn these important things. So meet in next video, guys. Bye.